Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I will present a report related to the fieldwork practice at the head office of PKPU Human Initiative. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Surya Adi Wibowo, and I am from Department Accounting at State University of Jakarta, who has and student guidance from Mrs. Diah Meliza. And this is the chapter 1. The first discussion is related to the chapter 1, namely the background of conducting street class activities, namely in lecture. Students get lecture better with theory without knowing how it is applied in the world of work, because with this practice activity, students are expected to be able to interpret the application of knowledge that so far students can be lectured for the scope more professional. Furthermore, the purpose of carrying out practical fieldwork activities is a fulfilling practice course for one of the requirements for graduation to get a Bachelor of Economics from Jakarta State University. The purpose of carrying out practical fieldwork activities is to help the practitioner adapt to the working world environment and train the spirit of independence through a professional work culture. Next is the use of fieldwork practice. For practice is to have a clear picture of the accounting system and be able to analyze theories that have been studied while in college. The use of fieldwork practice for the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta is aiding eventual cooperation partners in humanitarian matters for various opportunities. The use of fieldwork practice for practice in humanitarian matters for various opportunities. The use of fieldwork practice for PKPU Human Initiative is an exchange of information and knowledge from street vendors with company fieldwork practice at PKPU Human Initiative head office. Fieldwork practice at PKPU Human Initiative head office with the address at the Anggrek Street, number 97, Cur, Cimanggis, Depok City, and West Java. Schedule of the time for practical work in carrying out practical fieldwork activities during the event semester holiday, to be precise, on 22 July 2019 until 13 September 2019. Provision for the PKL day schedule at the PKPU Human Initiative Monday until Friday entry hours is 9 p.m. until 5 p.m. and the schedule of rest time on Monday until Thursday is 12 until 1 p.m. Different for Fridays at 11:30 until 1 p.m. And this is the chapter 2. The next discussion is the chapter 2, namely an overview of the fieldwork practice, which will discuss the first three subsections is the history of the company. Firstly, on 10 December 1990, the Foundation for Justice and Care for the People (PKPU) was established in response to the multi-dimensional crisis that hit Indonesia in 1997 until 1998. In 2012, a law on zakat management was issued, which made by PKPU Foundation in corporate governance. The PKPU Foundation built a partnership with the Myanmar government for a humanitarian program for Rohingya and Rakhine refugees and distribute and for Palestinians. In 2016, PKPU Foundation did a spin-off and changed its name to PKPU Human Initiative, which focused on managing humanitarian programs and no longer managing zakat, infak, and sodako. The vision of PKPU Human Initiative is to become world-class trust humanitarian organization in the building independence, and its mission is firstly make use of emergency recovery and empowerment program. Secondly, establishing partnership and collaboration between people, business, government, media, academia, and other civil society organizations. And thirdly, conducting study, research development, and capacity building activities relevant to increasing the effectiveness of the role of civil society organization in providing alternative solution and or innovation to protect a humanitarian crisis. Fourthly, build organization capacity and competency that are effective, innovative, accountable, and service quality oriented. 5. Develop advocacy program at both micro and macro levels to promote justice and equality in society. The code of ethics owned by the PKPU Initiative is openness, professionalism, accountability, and responsibility. Furthermore, the value of organization culture is honestly, caring, responsibility, initiative, and cooperation. And there are two general activities of the company PKPU Initiative. This is first is a initiative for empowerment, the secondly initiative for disaster, and the thirdly is the initiative for children. Next, I will explain related to the chapter 3. PKPU Initiative is engaged in collecting and distributing funds to deal with humanitarian problems during 40 working days, implementing service vendor. The person is placed in the verifier section, which is one part of the innovative financing section. General task of the verifier to validate and select the portion of the application for funds to be channeled into humanitarian program. In validating data and approval from various related parties, the verifier makes the PKPU Initiative financial system reference with the manager of the innovative financing section in making join the Sinsen for program fund distribution. Details of working during the practice implementation is firstly Barcos Kurban program, and this is the objective of correcting if there is an error between the two parties and recording unrecorded transaction of both parties. The input is recorded in the bank reconciliation program of the Kurban program is data in the form of Mandiri Kurban bank statements and PKPU initiative Kurban transaction data in Excel, and the output generated from this reconciliation is a match between the nominal on the Mandiri Kurban bank checking account with the nominal on the Kurban transaction account in PKPU, so that the two data are synchronized and there is no difference with each other. And the secondly is a verification of financial transaction for Ramadan, and the purpose is to verify whether everything is complete and appropriate to be included in the accountability report. And the input is required to verify financial transaction advance for Ramadan is financial transaction data in the DAF PKPU Human Initiative. The output is generated from the verification of financial transaction advance for Ramadan is record the form of validate report and reported to supervisor and update the latest information related to Ramadan advance on the intranet web application. And the three is data input and verification of Kurban program transaction. The purpose is to assist the verified subdivision in charge of inputting data from transaction generated by the Kurban program, and after that it can check, select, and verify the input transaction data during the Kurban program. The input is required in the data input of verification of financial transaction for the Kurban program is financial transaction data in the DAF PKPU Human Initiative application. The output is generated from inputting data and verification financial transaction of the Kurban program is a note in the form of a validated report and reported to the supervisor, as well as updating latest information regarding Kurban advance on the intranet web application. And fourthly is verify and close the Kurban marketplace transaction book. A purpose is to check, select, and verify the nominal orders that already exist with the proof of incoming cash transaction on the website SIMAK. After that, the purpose of closing the book to make financial reports addressed to the donor who have in past their asset to PKPU Initiative for the program Kurban. The input is needed to verify and close the transaction book of Marketplace Kurban is the Tokopedia Marketplace data and the commitment or unpaid data obtained from the supervisor in Excel form. The output is generated from verifying and closing the program Kurban Marketplace transaction book is generating new data in the form payment that have been paid off and then submit to supervisor, producing the latest data validation on the SIMAK intranet web and updating the closing of the book on the intranet SIMAK web. And the last is updating the PKPU Human Initiative accounts receivable. Purpose is the updating the account receivable periodically is to be able to find out the payment made by related parties have reached and instead have been paid off. Besides that, it can help increase cash inflow from the PKPU Human Initiative. The input is required in updating the PKPU Human Receivable account is the data contained in the transaction memo session in the form of transaction that have been input by the accounting department and preparing notes on matter that need to be asked of the supervisor regarding to the payment of term. The output is generated in updating the PKPU Human Initiative Receivable account is the updating of the receivable information on the intranet web with related parties whose previous payment status has not been paid off, and the information on the payment terms of receivable with related parties is updated on the internet web. And this is furthermore the other obstacle that our participants face were carrying out the practical work. The obstacle that the person is a mentor who has many other activities. The steps taken by the person in facing obstacle and solving them is asking the assignment that has been given by the supervisor to other supervisor who are in the subsection of the verification. And this is the last chapter is chapter 4, the conclusion obtained from the field work practice or practice learning how to adapt to the work environment of the PKPU head office, namely by trying to always greet all PKPU employees regardless of which division they are from. In addition, the person can become more independent with the assignment given. The result of the field work practice that have been passed by the personnel can provide input which is expected to be useful for various parties involved. Some of the input include is for next practice. Before implementing third vendor, you should first tighten out your intention so that they can match when to achieve. For the faculty economics is practicing as an FS student advice in the timing the implementation of third vendor to be more flexible. For the PKPU initiative, the company can provide broader picture of non-profit accounting so that personnel can understand totally the entire field of corporate finance is in a non-profit company. Thank you for your attention. If something goes wrong, come from me, and the truth comes from Allah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.